Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Following that, click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. After selecting the perfect one, you finally get to create it. Click on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided when you're done, just click on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!